Hey everybody, it's Amanda Wayne from the Homeschoolery. It is a cold and snowy winter morning here. It's January 2nd and I'm getting ready to start our 21-day deschooling journey so you guys can watch us and my family go through the deschooling process and see how that might work for you guys. If you are interested in deschooling your family, and starting your homeschool journey, follow along. I'm going to be posting a video every day for 21 days, and I'm going to explain the deschooling process, how it works, why we do it, and how it's going for my family. I am an experienced homeschooler, but I want to show you how it can work. If you are interested in starting deschooling your family, go to www.thehomeschoollery.org and buy our Deschooling Journal today.